Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this fun festive carnival look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So to start off, I am going to use my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer, and this is in the shade NC42. I'm just going to apply this all over the lid with my concealer brush, and this is going to act as a primer, and it makes a really good eyeshadow base, guys. I love it so much. I was using my Pro Longwear concealer, but I think I like this even more. Now the first shade I will be going into is from this Zulu palette from JUVIAS Place, and it's a super bright shocking orange and I love it, so I'm going to use this as my transition color. And I do have to go a little bit higher on my lid because I don't have such a big lid space. And I'm going to use the Masquerade palette from JUVIAS Place, that shocking pink. This pink is so beautiful, guys. Do you see that? Oh my god. So what I'm doing is just packing it into the crease. I didn't want to sweep it too much because when you do sweep, it kind of fades the color out too much. So I'm really just packing it into the crease, and then I will blend it out later. Now I'm going back into my blending brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to pick up that orange that we first used and just blend the edges of the pink out. We're not blending these colors away, we're building them up and just kind of merging them together. Now I'm going to take that same concealer and we are going to cut our creases. So I'm just use the Select Cover Up, and I'm just going to try to make my crease, and you want to make the line as straight as possible. So this can take a little while, but for me, I'm so used to it that it's just like, it's whatever to me. But yeah, you just want to make that crease line as straight as possible and you would be good. Also for the edges, I'm not bringing it all the way across my lid, so I am kind of like fading that concealer out when it comes to the corners of my eyes. And now I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and pack that yellow on. This is such a beautiful yellow. At first this look was going to be like all matte colors, but yeah, it turned into a whole different thing. But I'm just packing this onto the lid, making sure the color is built up really nicely. Then to merge them, I am just going to add that purple from the Zulu palette in the outer corners of my lid, and it kind of just intensifies the crease a little bit more. Now I'm going with my NYX glitter glue, and this glitter glue is like the best, so I'm just going to pack this onto the lid. And I do like to do it in little sections, that way I get like a really nice intensity with my glitter. Now this glitter is from MAC. It is the yellow gold glitters that they have, and I am just gonna pack this onto the lid. Okay guys, so I am using my new favorite foundation. It is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This thing is amazing, and I've actually been loving to apply it with like a brush instead of my beauty blender, because I feel like I get like a really nice full coverage look with it, and it's like so flawless and so matte, and I get like so many compliments with it. So you guys should definitely try this out. Now I'm going in with my favorite Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use this to conceal and highlight my face. I actually do want to try the Makeup Revolution Concealer because I heard that it's pretty similar to this. So if you guys tried it out, let me know. But yeah, I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin. You guys know the deal. So I do like to set under my eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I set the rest of my skin using my MAC Studiofix powder in the color NC44.5. I love this combination on my skin. It gives me like a nice flawless look. To add a bit more dimension into my skin, I'm taking my MAC Sun Power bronzer, and I'm just going to kind of slightly contour, not really contour, but just bronze my skin up a little bit. Now I'm going to take my NYX Liquid liner and I'm going to create a slightly dramatic wing. I think the wing always just adds a nice touch to the eye look, so yeah. I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Big Shot Mascara just to coat my lashes before adding some falsies. The falsies I'll be using is from Eylure. They are the Look Silk ones in the silver pack from Target. And I'm just going to go on my lower lash line, add that shocking pink just to even out the top and the bottom lid. And add a little bit of mascara. And I did add some black liner in there because I felt like it looked weird without the liner. So yeah. I'm going to go in with my Trophy Wife highlighter and just put that in my tear duct. I felt like this color was just perfect for the look. Now to set my skin, I'm using my e.l.f. setting spray in the matte formula. And I like to set my skin before adding my highlighter. I am going to be going in with my Trophy Wife highlighter again, right on the cheekbones. This look was so pretty in the daytime, guys. Oh my goodness. It was gorgeous. And Trophy Wife just really added to the whole entire look. That fan brush is actually from e.l.f. also, so you guys don't sleep on e.l.f. It's really good. Put it on my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow. I just put highlighter everywhere, guys. For the lips, I'm going in with a brown lip liner. I'm not sure where I got this one from. I think it's from the beauty supply store, but it is like the perfect brown. So you guys can also pair this look with any lip color of your preference, but I love my nude glossy lips, so there you go. I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Dazzle Glass lip gloss, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lips. And that's really it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do want to see more tutorials, just comment down below and let me know. All the products will be listed in the description, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!